So cute. Today is market day, or perhaps it's a Vopant, which is like a flea market. And it just appeared below our window here in Nice. And it just goes on and on, all along the promenade. So we're going to go downstairs and see what's going on. I don't think that's a man. Okay, I take that back. It is a man. Okay, well, interesting combination of clothes. Interesting necklace he's wearing. Kind of cool. Okay, good. Looks like a doll without a head. Some interesting things. But no, when you're going to need some of these. I'm not even sure what they are. What are they?
Those are wooden gears from an old windmill.
Oh. Clothes, doggies. Look at that cute dog. It's like a melted old record. Interesting. And the market just goes on and on and on. Huge. We are here at this little beach. That water looks very nice. So this is the Plongeoir restaurant. I don't think we're going to get to go to that part that's suspended out over the water. But it's the place to go for an experience, I suppose. Well, unfortunately, we didn't have a reservation and they were complete, which means full. But I wanted to show you at the end of the part that extends over the water, there are 3 diving boards so that you can actually dive into the water, although I don't know if that water looks deep enough to dive into, but that's what they're there for. This is a lovely place where we had lunch tonight. It's like the Nice Yacht Club. This, of course, is the lovely view from our restaurant where we're having lunch this afternoon. Gorgeous.
Is how I learned to pour water when I worked on a luxury yacht.
When did you work on a luxury yacht?
Voila.
When did you work on a luxury yacht?
Well, my dad, there is a boat called the Happy Hour. And I have worked on that boat for many years.
It's your luxury yacht?
We.
This little boat?
is a luxury yacht. It depends.
It's your luxury yacht.
It is my luxury yacht, yes. Merci. A wonderful afternoon by the Mediterranean, soaking in the sunshine and having a wonderful lunch. That is delicious. Rosé all day.
Olives.
Rosé all day.
Yes. For our lunch today, of course, here we are in Nice. So it's another salade niçoise for me. And Jeff is having a salade César, which is Caesar salad to those of us from the United States. But he loves it when they give it to him with eggs. See the eggs? And this one has chicken. So he loves it because it's what came first, the chicken or the egg. And he's got them both in his plate. Bon appetit!
Bon appetit! And here they are, all the little sailors headed out for the day to learn how to sail the wind in Nice.
So we were so good with our lunch, both having salads, so healthy. And so what do we order for dessert? Chocolate sundae. 2 boules, or balls in English, 2 balls of chocolate ice cream, chantilly, which is whipped cream, sauce au chocolat, chocolate sauce. We throw caution to the wind. 2 more days in Nice, and then back to dieting.
It's lovely. All that fresh whipped cream, chocolate sauce. So good. So good.
The car ferry that you see over there goes to Corsica and Sardinia from right here in Nice. So it takes a car and typically 2 passengers, or I guess even a family. It takes between 5 and 6 hours to get there. There it goes, off to Italy. There are some pirates heading out tonight. See the pirate flag flying? The road is coming in this evening. This one is called the Aladdin. I believe it's 125 feet. I'd be happy with that boat. Here's another sailboat that has come in to the port here in Nice.
Pull the dinghy around to the front.
We're going to watch him. It looks like he's going to be backing into the slip. There's another boat coming into the harbor this evening. Pretty nondescript. Next boat to be coming into Nice's harbor. Look at that sailboat. Yacht, Sea Cloud 2 from Valletta. That is literally a stone's throw from the balcony of the apartment we are sitting on. We are literally sitting on the balcony watching this boat come in. And if we had a really good strong arm, we could throw a ball over there. Somebody could catch it. That's how close we are to this boat. So this boat has put out the sort of red carpet. It looks like some important people will be arriving to get on this yacht. We don't recognize any of these people. These are two older people who have just sat down, taking their masks off now. It's on the sea cloud. Without being close up, I would say the guy looks like Prince Charles. However, my guess is probably not. The woman across from him does not look like Camellia. I'm sorry. The woman across from him does not look like Camilla, his wife. The least they could do is offer us a cocktail. We are that close. So there are a lot of people on this boat. Frankly, it reminds us of Gilligan's Island because none of the people seem to be dressed the same way. It's like, that could be Mr. and Mrs. Howell, for those of you familiar with Gilligan's Island. And then there are all these other people that are younger than the Howells. They're dressed more casually. But who knows? It is a busy night in the port of Nice. See, our friends at the sailing yacht are still here. Although there's some activity down there with buses. Looks like luggage is coming off the boat. I guess they had a lovely evening in port and now everybody's leaving. They're going someplace. We also have the Pompadours. I'm not sure what that's all about, but they are standing by, maybe because of the brocante today. There's another boat that just came in. If you look closely, you'll see it's a boat with a bunch of boats on the back. Interesting. So obviously it's a freight boat. Is part of the castle. See the fortress. See the flag. so much for watching. If you enjoyed the content that I provide in my videos and you haven't already subscribed, be sure to click below, subscribe, click the bell so you get a reminder whenever I upload some new videos. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks again for watching. See you next time.